AI Planner for ADHD is a specialized Android application designed to assist individuals with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, in managing their daily tasks and improving productivity. This app utilizes artificial intelligence to offer customized planning and organizational tools tailored to the unique needs of users with ADHD. The application typically features intuitive task management capabilities, allowing users to create, prioritize, and schedule tasks in a visually appealing and user-friendly interface. It may include reminders and notifications to help users stay on track and manage time effectively. The AI component often analyzes user behavior and preferences, providing personalized suggestions for optimizing workflows and enhancing focus. Additionally, the app may provide features such as goal setting, progress tracking, and journaling to foster self-awareness and accountability. Many users find that the structured approach helps reduce overwhelm, making it easier to break tasks into manageable steps and achieve their objectives. Overall, AI Planner for ADHD serves as a valuable resource for those seeking to navigate daily challenges associated with ADHD, promoting organization, focus, and overall well-being.